Okay, so you would have seen what I did on part 1, which is me concentrating on completely clarifying my hair, making sure it's nice and squeaky clean, conditioned for the heat process, and slight manipulation, not too much, not too much. I'm going to be using the Rev Air to blow dry my hair today. I guess the most we'll be doing is when we're detangling our hair just before we put it inside nozzle thingy. I don't know what to call this, but before we put it in this, I like to give my hair a nice thorough detangle so it can what was that? So it can suck the hair right in there and dry it all off, and it'll be great. Just you wait. So the products I'm going to be using today to achieve my lovely blowout is probably things you've seen me use over and over again, but you can't always get it because they're the best, okay? So I always recommend using a nice light leave-in conditioner that's gonna just melt into the hair and not weigh it down. I've got really fine textured hair, so I like to use something that's gonna be light and yeah, give me the moisture that I need locked in, but not weigh the hair down. And then you wanna go in with a serum that's gonna be nice and light again, but give you some protective properties and some strengthening properties as well. And this one from Adria Beauty, always a fave for me, my children, my mom, like we all use this if we're gonna do any sort of blow, and also treatment. So not forget that actually it is a treatment serum, so it has more than one use. This time round I'm going to be incorporating something new. I haven't tried this one before. This is the K18 molecular, what is it? Molecular Repair Hair Oil. Focus, 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 focus. There we go. Okay, so this is my first section. I'm probably gonna split this up a bit more. This is my hair before I've put anything in it. It is squeaky clean, I can hear it. Like, shrinkage is real as well. Now I have cut my hair as well. I do like to be scissor happy. Quick little scent check, but I'm so terrible with documenting when I cut it. But hopefully one day I might actually take a video of me cutting it. I did take a few pictures, so I might insert them, might not. But yeah, that's my hair right now. Shrinkage is nuts. But yeah, so with the Rev Air, smaller sections are always much nicer and will just give you a better finish. The hair needs to be able to fit inside the nozzle and also have enough space for the air to go around it to dry the strands. Pop that bit up. We're going to take our Adria Beauty Melon Berry Hair Milk. It's so beautifully light and won't weigh your hair down, but your hair is going to feel moisturized. You can get carried away with this because it is so lightweight feeling that you just want to add more and more, and it smells so good. But yeah, you don't have to be too heavy-handed with your products, especially if you're trying to achieve a nice beautiful blowout. Oh, the sun is coming back out. It has been raining and storming and thundering and lightning. You just want to work that into your hair all the way down to your ends. That's that. This is the part where I like to give it a little bit of a brush. Okay, so now we're going to add a few drops of our serum, a few pumps, not a lot. That's our section. I'm sure you can now see how much my hair shrinks up. It's crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the K18. It says apply to damp towel dried hair before styling or on dry hair as a finisher. Start with 1 to 3 drops and build as needed. 1 to 3 drops. On whose head? Okay. Probably not going to do 1 to 3 drops on my entire head. Probably 1 to 3 drops per section. It's nice that it comes in a little dispenser, and I'm just going to put that throughout the lengths and ends of my hair. I've got some hair growing back in that I lost. but it is growing back and it's just getting thicker, which is why I'm just going to keep trimming all the time. I like to use my Rev Air on, I like to use it on 7, which is the suction strength, and then I like to put it on 2, which is the heat. So you've got 1, 2 and 0 being cold. And here we go. So it's noisy, but it always gets the job done. Look at this. Look at that. And that is a testament to the hairdryer and the products. Light, fluffy. Now you saw my hair, it was like up here, yeah. And in less than, what is it, like, I think I probably did it for about 1 minute and 10 seconds. And my hair is not hot, even though I prepare it for heat, it is not hot. Like, the hairdryer does not get hot enough to cause any damage. I add all those precautious things because if I want to flat iron my hair or straighten my hair afterwards, then I can, and I've put in all the things that I need to make sure that it's protected. But if I don't want to, I don't, you know, it's fine as well. But yeah, this is how I get my gorgeous blowout. So I shall see you when it's all done. Okay, so there we have it. There's my gorgeous, fluffy, easy breezy blowout featuring K18 and Add Your Beauty. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you in the next vid.